let me hope you all are fine. I am fine too, I thank God. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back here. Thank you for your love and your support. I appreciate much. May God bless you. But if it is your first time to be on this channel, hello, welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Please watch this video to the end, and after watching this video to the end, remember to watch my other videos too. You are going to learn lots of new things that will help you in your search for that right guy. So without wasting much of your time, so today's video is going to be just an update on how to use Afro introductions for free. A very short one, yeah, because in the past I did a video, I showed you guys how to use Afro introductions for free, but we have some changes that Afro introductions did recently, and I've been getting lots of questions from my babies. Bella, oh my god, I'm using Afro introductions, I don't understand at all the things I am seeing. Is it me, or maybe it is Afro? Help me out. So I'm here to help you all. So guys, the first thing that have changed on Afro introductions, before, when you could log in and go to the match, it could take you to a place where to change the country of where you want your guy to come from. So if you want your guy to come from, for example, Germany, you could choose Germany and then submit. After submitting, they could show you guys in Germany. Was so easy and so good. If you could want guys from America, it was easy too. You could put America, then submit. Yeah, done. You see guys in America, send messages, likes, and all that. Browse through. But these days, it's not like that. Everything, when you log in, features come there on the home page. And yes, still, you can put the country of where you want your man to come from. But when you put it and you are a free user, nothing comes up. They keep on telling you that you have no match. Oh, if you're lucky, you filled your profile very well. It is 100% filled up, which is what I advise you, that when you register on any dating app, make sure it is filled in completely, like it is complete, 100%, if they show you the percentage of your profile. So even on Afro introductions, if your profile is complete 100%, meaning you filled in everything, they will bring very few matches, maybe 2 or 3, because you are a free user. So most of you have been like, what is happening? When I change on the matches, I don't see any match coming up. They keep on telling me I don't have any match. So an advice here is, if you still want to change and you are a free user, when you change, read what pops up. Follow their instructions. If they're telling you still need to edit your match criteria, go and edit your match criteria, then come choose, submit. Let's see what happens, if they will bring more matches to you. But all in all, about this, I am advising you that you are a free user on Afro introductions. Just be okay with the features they are offering you for free. If you keep on trying to change the country where you want your man to come from, and it is the same thing, they're not bringing you anyone from that country, don't worry. Go to Men Online. When you click on Men Online, they're going to bring you all men that are online at that moment from different countries. These days, I see new photos, like guys that added new photos recently. Click on that. Get to chat with those guys. Recently joined. Click on recently joined. Start chatting with these new guys that recently joined on Afro introductions. Forget about the country not working, because still you can see them. I think Afro introductions decided to do that to make you pay. We are not going to show you much when you click on countries, like changing countries, because we want you to pay. If you pay and you click on different countries, then we'll bring lots of guys for you. But for us, we intend to use it for free. Let us keep on using those free features, because still Afro Introductions is really offering a lot compared to other dating apps and sites. So you can click on those. There is also popular members, but most ladies, hesitate to chat with guys that are popular on the dating apps, thinking that, that guy might be a player. Why is he popular? He has been there for so long. I advised you and told you that do not worry. Give it a try. You never know his reasons to be on that app for so long that made him become popular. Get to know him. If he is not a good guy, no one is forcing you to keep on communicating with him. But it is very possible to find a guy that has been there for so long and still be a good guy. Maybe has not found a good lady, or maybe, for example, this guy joined in 2020, then found a lady after 5 months of him being on that app. So in 2020, found a lady, dated offline, things did not work out, took a break. He did not delete his profile, not at all. Took a break and decided maybe to try it in real life, with ladies. Still, it did not work. So in 2022, he decided to come back to his profile, updates it. So if you come across his profile, you will think this guy has been there since 2020. So 2020, 2021, 2022. Oh my God. That's a lot of time for a guy to be online without finding anyone. Then 2022, found another one. They dated, and maybe the lady happened to be a scammer, or found out that recently, the things I was telling you, this guy lives in the small town, life is slow, doesn't like his lifestyle, and breaks up with this guy. So this guy decides to take a break again and be like, I'm coming back in 2025. But he joined in 2020, so he will be put in popular members. But in reality, this guy isn't bad. So that is why I'm still telling you, give it a try. I still insist on this advice. If you are on the dating apps and sites, keep trying everything, okay? Including those guys that comes, you chat a bit, or I like you, I would like to get to know you more. Can we exchange WhatsApp numbers? Exchange. Go to WhatsApp. If they play games on WhatsApp, block. No one is forcing you that you must keep this guy on WhatsApp. Keep talking to him. Even if this guy asked for a video call and appeared with his eggplant in their hands like this, that you should keep him. No, guys, you block him, delete him, and forget him. Life moves on as if nothing ever happened. But you gave it a try. To succeed on the dating apps, you have to try it all. You have to keep doing the same things over and over again, as long as they are the right things, as long as you are doing it the right way. Don't be like, I have been doing it the right way, I haven't found anyone, Bella has been guiding me, but it is still very hard. I think I should just play dumb now. Girl, you will find him. You will find him, but will he be the one? Not at all. So another feature that has changed on Afro Introductions is the likes features and favorites. You no longer see who liked you, who favorited you on Afro Introductions. Still, dear sister, do not worry, cause chatting with a guy that has paid on Afro Introductions is free. So what do? You go to those guys that are paying. I told you, they have signs, blue sign, gold sign, that these are paying. The gray one, that guy is not paying. So you have to click on the blue one, or you click on the one that has the gold one. Send him a message. If you went through his profile, everything is good, reach out. If you're so busy that day, you don't have time to reach out, just like him. If you send a like to him, because he's a paid member, we'll be able to see your like and we'll reach out if he's really interested in you. So still, there is no problem. You can still use Afro introductions for free if you focus on those guys that are paying on Afro introductions. Let's forget the whole thing of who liked me, who favorited me. Afro Introductions has decided to take it out from free members and give it to members that are paying. It's okay. So don't feel like it's the end of the world. Oh my God, Bella, what will I do? It was so good to see who liked me, so that I also get to like him, send him a message. I'm someone who likes to stress on things that I can change. But if I can't change something, I won't waste my time to stress about it. So we can't change anything on that unless you pay. But do not pay, because the powerful feature that you can get from a dating app is to chat for free. And Afro Introductions has given you that. Use it, dear beautiful ladies. I'm so sure one day we will come back with a success love story, because Afro Introductions is the top best online dating site. It has got lots of success love stories. Not just a success, maybe people go married and then after a year divorced. No, I know couples that have met on Afro Introductions and they've been married for 15 years, okay? Yeah, which is good. But we can't forget the reality that the problem isn't the dating sites, because I see people hating on the dating sites. I'm tired of the dating sites. These dating sites are really bad. The problem are the people using the dating sites, because Afro, yes, I've said it's the top, it's the best. But on the same Afro, if you play dumb, you're going to come across a guy that can really make your life a living hell. Should we hate on Afro Introductions for bringing that guy? Not at all. We have had lots of horrible stories from Tinder, right? Yeah, but exist couples that have found good men on Tinder. So the problem isn't really these dating sites, unless it is those dating sites that just want to take your money. You pay as you chat, with a guy. And those guys never want to chat out of those dating apps and sites. So those ones, we can actually hate them because they're not real. I am also suspecting that in the future, we might not even see who is paying and who is not paying on Afro Introductions. When that happens, don't freak out. As long as you can still chat with a guy that is paying, yes, we'll chat with these guys blindly. You try, you send a message. If it goes, he has paid. If it doesn't go, he has not paid. Yeah, until we achieve what we want. So guys, with all that said about Afro Introductions, I would also like to add a bonus to my Muslim sisters are searching for love online, because I have them. Even some are my babies. You have this challenge on the dating apps to try where you can find Muslims. So I'm going to be mentioning them and you can give it a try. I wish you all the best, guys. So dating site number 1 for Muslims is Free Nikah. Give it a try. Dating site number 2 is Nikah Me. I'll be writing them here or putting like a photo of how it looks like, so that when you go to Google, you can find it easily. You can know, okay, that's what Bella was talking about. Number 3, Buzz Arab. So I know exist some of my Muslim sisters that are like, no, I don't want any Arabic guy. So if you're one of those, don't get worried or scared. Oh my God, it's Buzz Arab. You never know. You can find guys that join, they're Muslims, but not Arabic. Because the truth is, it is rare to find an Arabic guy married to a Black African woman. If you are Black African, even if you are a Muslim, due to their traditions, culture, I have lots of babies working in these Arabic countries. They've been telling me that when a boy is young, an Arabic boy, parents have already found a wife for him. So you can see, so it can happen very, very rarely for you as an African to marry an Arabic guy. But I'm aware most of you don't want. Give Buzz Arabic a try. Yeah. Dating site number 4 for Muslims, Match. Dating site number 5, this is one of the Muslim dating sites that I can confidently tell you that it has got lots of success love stories. And it is Muslima. I have my Muslim babies that found love on Muslima. So give Muslima a try. And the good thing is Muslima is a sister site to Afro introductions. So it is similar when it comes to using it or navigating through. Dating site number 6 for Muslims is Inshallah. Dating site number 7 is Hella Hell. I'll put it here so that you can see it. Dating site number 8, and it is the last one, is a Muslim soulmate. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching till now. I appreciate much. May God bless you. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family, everyone that you think will enjoy this video and learn something. Watch my other videos too. You are going to learn a lot. Comment below what you think about this video. I would like to know. Until next time, guys, I love you so much. You're always here in my heart. Ciao, ciao.